A family or business's insurance claim is likely going to be one of the largest financial events of their lifetime. Losing a home or a business is usually hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. All victims that suffer catastrophic loss are going to have unique challenges as it relates to business and life continuity. Hiring experts is how you assure you are properly shepherded through the process and that your claim is maximized. You paid that policy, you paid the premium, you don't want to ever use it, but in that time when you have to, you want it to pay out the way it's supposed to.
February 23rd, it was around 6 o'clock in the morning. We were all sleeping, my kids were in bed. I poke open an eye and then just hear the fire alarm going on. When I gather my thoughts, jump out of the bed, open the door and see smoke, and start looking around, and there's black smoke coming from corners of the house. There's nothing that's changed at the front of the house, but at the back we just see fire coming out through the windows of the second floor. It was a little bit of shock and disbelief that sort of, how could this happen? You start rethinking backwards. If there was something that you did, that you forgot, that you misplaced or something. It really just makes you think over a lot of things of what to do with your life. It just changes the path in which you're going.
In the summer of 2023, I got a phone call from my mother around 1 o'clock in the morning. Somebody from the alarm system called me, got up my bed, picked up my mother, came here, and it was so sad, just to see the restaurant in flames. It was almost like a horror movie, You never think that that's going to happen to you. At one point, we thought we were not going to be able to reopen a restaurant again. And once we called strategic claim consultants, everything changed, It wasn't just seeing the results at the beginning, it was the willingness to help you. They really understand what you're going through.
When you're in such a situation, you rely so much on the insurance company that you're willing to just accept whatever they throw at you. And with using a public adjuster, it's completely different. They said, no, you don't have to take this. This is negotiable. So if you ever find yourself in a situation like this, you definitely need to hire strategic claim consultants.
Trying to navigate an insurance claim on your own would be incredibly difficult, considering that you probably have never done it before and considering that you don't have unlimited free time.
They either have a life to live or they have a business to run. And we can provide the ability for them to really not have that burden, and that burden be shifted to us as far as the inspections, the communications, the negotiations. You don't have to go through it alone. We're here to help, and we're here to guide you through that process and make sure you're whole at the end of the day.
If you're facing catastrophic damage, don't hesitate and call Strategic Claim Consultants.